Attention all pool lovers, if you're looking for a pool in 2025, well, I've got it for you. Eric Katcher with Century 21, coming from beautiful Deer Ridge, which is in North Auburn on the corner of Foxtail and Deer Ridge Lane, where you've got down there, you got the parks, walking trails, but look at the beautiful streets, sidewalks, lights. And you got a cul-de-sac. We've got this beautiful house, over 3,000 square foot, gorgeous home, remodeled, updated, with an amazing pool in the backyard. So wait till that end and let's go check out that pool. Hey, welcome inside. You're gonna love this beautiful library or formal living room that you can have there, which then wraps up. You can see the super towering ceilings here. You got a whole house fan up above as well. I do love this big formal dining room for all the entertaining and guests. And it just opens up into this wonderful open space. Another little breakfast nook. I love the tile on the floors. And then you've got my favorite room here in the house, next to your gas fireplace, towering ceilings, and yes, a couple entrances and exits out to that location outside, which is wonderful. All right, welcome upstairs. I love this open view from here down into the kitchen. You got the primary bedroom there, which we'll go see in just a moment. 3 bedrooms on that side with a bathroom, and this really cool office space here with built-ins that overlooks the entry. Primary, which is beautiful. Again, we have 5 bedrooms in here with that office space there, and then, yes, another office space in here. So you've got more built-in cabinetry, another gas fireplace, double sliding doors here for a little bit of privacy. Then it comes here, which comes out to your private lanai, overlooking the pool. And you got your primary suite with tons of extra storage, which is great. Double vanities, double closet spaces, large shower, and the soaking tub. On your private lanai, you're overlooking the large, very private yard. Lots of beautiful trees, Japanese maples, and yes, the pool. Welcome outside to this beautiful oasis. Check it out. This beautiful pool. I love that you actually can put an umbrella inside your little swim deck there. You got all this entertaining spaces there, a covered entertaining space there as well. You've got plenty of spaces around, beautiful trees that just are towering around the property. Enough grass for the family and the pets, and just sit here and enjoy and relax in your own oasis here in Deer Ridge. So give me a call,